people. Oh my god. Dude.
They're gone, man. We gotta... They'll be okay.
They're fine. They just flew off the roof.
Should be able to get up again, okay?
They're lucky.
Yeah.
They're real lucky. Oh, man. Oh, jeez.
Whoa. Don't get too excited.
Believe me, I'm not.
Look.
Okay, can we just stop here and just watch it?
No, it's getting a little better.
Just go slowly. I mean, just go slowly.
Alright, I'm gonna put my window down first.
Okay, go for it. I think there's not going to be too much kicked up.
Got it done?
Yeah. There it is.
There it is.
Tornado number 3 of the day.
Oh, here it comes. 3/4 of a mile, Dave. 3/4 of a mile. Keep a sharp eye out for a right road that goes east, and we're going to jump off on it real quick. Try to get some video of this.
Stay focused on the old one?
I've got both of them in my viewfinder right
Okay,
now.
I'll get the old one.
Okay. I can't see the new one, John. I'll get the old one.
Alright.
We're gonna probably have to get it out of the back soon.
We're just going to stop right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, got a truck in the way. Yeah, it'll pass to our west. 2 tornadoes! 2 tornadoes!
Holy crap, dude. There's 2.
Back up.
Okay, we're going east.
You're almost back to the paved road. Whoa, look at that rotation down there. Oh my gosh.
Over here. Just right up there. We'll stop. Okay, stop.
Wow! Perfect. Oh, jeez.
Right in front of us.
Done? Yeah. Move it. Oh.
It's coming this way, hon.
We gotta go.
Done. It's still moving slightly east.
Oh, look at that little one.
Yeah, no little bit.
Oh my!
No, looks like another one's about to touch down over there.
Covered.
Hey, Don.
Yeah?
Don, please.
We gotta get
We
east.
gotta go a little bit more.
Let's go.
We do, I'm serious. If we were on the south side, fine, but
Man, the winds here.
they're not south side.
Well, they are. No, they're not.
Get hit in the
Oh.
face.
Sorry, John.
No problem.
stop. Okay, get out.
Okay, we're fine now.
Okay,
We're fine.
We are seriously. It's okay.
Wow.